Hello students, this is the fifth poem of your book First Flight and the poem name is The Ball Poem. This poem is composed by John Berryman. In this poem, through a boy and his ball, the poet wants to convey a message that life has to be lived and not wasted in grieving and mourning over the losses suffered in the past. A boy loses a ball. He is very upset. A ball doesn't cost much, nor it is difficult to buy another ball. Why then is the boy so upset? Read the poem to see what the poet thinks has been lost and what the boy has to learn from the experience of losing something. Okay, so let me start. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. The poet sees a boy playing with a ball. Then the boy loses his ball. The poet asks what should the boy be feeling now? He asks what will the boy do now? He saw the ball bouncing merrily and going down the street, and now in the same way it has fallen into the water and lost forever. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. The poet tells that there is no use of consoling the boy. He can't be consoled if he is offered other balls in place of the lost ball. Finally, a deep grief overpowers the boy. He stands shaking there without leaving the place. Standing there, he stares down the place where the ball has disappeared in the water of the harbor. The loss of the ball in the harbor reminds him of his childhood and childhood days which have been lost in the harbor of life. I would not intrude on him a dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of passions. Now the poet does not want to intervene or console the boy. He will not tell the boy that the ball he has lost cost almost nothing. He will not console him by saying that he can buy another ball quite easily. Now good sense prevails over the boy. He knows that in this world people are always running after acquiring and owning things. He realizes what is his first responsibility in such a world. People will take balls, balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. In these lines, poet wants to tell that buying and losing continues throughout our life. People will always buy such balls and the balls they buy will continue to be lost. Once a ball has been lost, it is lost ball again. Money is totally external to our inner feelings. Money can't compensate our emotional losses. Similarly, the childhood that we have lost forever can't be bought back with money. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know and most know many days how to stand up. In these lines, the poet tells us that the boy with his hopeless eyes is beginning to learn the nature of loss. He is learning what it means to lose something. He has to learn how to come over the loss and stand up again in life. He has to learn this basic principle of life which every man of the world has to learn. He must learn how to bear the pangs of the loss of his childhood. He has to move ahead in life forgetting the loss of his childhood. Okay, student. So this was the poem named The Ball Poem. Thank you.